Welcome to Science 101.
Woo! Okay. So, for this experiment, we're going to be together mixing yeast, dish soap, food coloring, hydrogen peroxide, and together the yeast will act as a catalyst for the hydrogen peroxide, and it's going to remove the oxygen from the formula, and with that and the soap together creates suds and foam, and so it's going to basically just bubble up and kind of be pretty cool. And the food coloring, like, you can see the bubbles. So first of all, we're going to pour half a cup of hydrogen peroxide. Make sure you got to get it pretty close to exact. And then second, we're going to put 1/2 tablespoon of yeast in this bowl.
One tablespoon. 1 tablespoon.
A full tablespoon, not just a half.
Okay, whatever. 1 tablespoon. My bad.
As Kellen adds the food coloring.
Yeah, I'm adding food coloring.
We're using food coloring so that you can actually see the color of the foam.
Along with 3 tablespoons of water. This is a 1/2 tablespoon, so we're going to do double.
So we're going to mix that together. And while they're doing that, I'll start pouring the hydrogen peroxide into our bottle.
You gotta get it to, you just don't want to,
You want all the chunks to be
yeah,
out.
you want the least chunks
You want it
possible.
to be as watery as it can.
So we're gonna have to sit here and stir this for a little bit.
Next, we're going to add
It's really chunky.
a tablespoon of dish soap in to make it sudsy. So our dish soap is clear, so it's hard to see. Okay, keep going, Kellen. You gotta mix the yeast up real good.
Real good.
Real good.
Science.
Science!
This is really hard.
Yeah,
It's like, it's really chunky.
you can get the chunks
You can
out.
just get the chunks out. Like, you can just separate the chunks. Like, just don't use the ones that are on the top.
Okay, so we're just gonna take a big chunk of yeast out.
Okay. There we go.
Finally, we will add the yeast to the hydrogen peroxide. Here we go.
There we go. Foam.
As you can see, it is starting to foam up real nicely. It is foaming up real. You know, we probably should have taken the label off of this
So you can see it.
so you can see our
Grand
foam.
unveiling right now. There you go.
There we go, foam.
Oh,
There's a
bee.
bee.
Yep, there's the bee. There's another bee.
I got it.
They're
I'm gonna get 'em.
attracted. The bees
they're
are
gonna get stuck
attracted
to
to
the
us because our experiment is so cool. The bees are like, wow, I gotta see it.
Foam. There you go.
Foamy
We will
foam,
show you
foam.
now.
Foam.
Bring it up close for you to see the foam.
And with the higher percentage of hydrogen peroxide, more foam would be created and released from the bottle, exploding. But since we only had 3%, we only got a small percentage of foam.
Because you can't get higher percentage unless you go to like a hair care,
You can get
product
6% at a
store.
hair care spot,
but that's kind of expensive. So
but
we
yeah.
kind of use just regular 3% hydrogen peroxide from the regular like drugstore, or pharmacy, anywhere you can get it.
Science.
Foamy science.
Woo! Thank you
Yes.
for watching. It's been a pleasure.
This video has been videotaped by the lovely squirrel.